were here. This one is red, this one is red or yellow, and now you have to call the last man. Last man, fine. So how we will call it? Just tell me how you call it. So you told like as science have said, like you place the big bully here, and now you can place it, and now from here you can tie it, right? Yeah, this solution is done. Apart from the Dipanka, what you were saying, like we can take it from the below. That is also acceptable. You can take it from the below, right? And now what you can do, like see from the below, now you have to create the base because even this part can act as a stopper. This connector, but for that you need a base. And how you can create the base? With the use of helping material. And these are your helping material. So how you can create it? You just simply like this. Simply if you place it like this, there you will get subordinates, and you will instruct him, please consider, please hold it like this. From here you can just, because this garland is acting as the base, and now from here, and now you can just try it like this, and now
But now also it will touch the center red line, right? Okay, plank
no,
is there. Sorry, bully is there. Okay, fine.
Balli is there, yeah. Plan Raj Balli is there. So this Balli, wait, I'm showing you so that
Yeah, got it, sir. Yeah.
like this. Balli would be there, and from here you can like this. Like you can try it and you can place it, or you can make one. You can add one more note and you can place it. Just coil it, or one person, your team member will hold it down, or otherwise you can place it here, and now you will make it like this, so that now this is base, this garland, this one garland I will take, and then I can just explain you. This garland is acting as the base, right? And from where you have tied from here, so this is acting as a stopper. So between the base and the stopper there is a balancing distance 2 feet, right? And then this is a 4 feet, and by the distance rule from the start line person can come 4 feet. Is it fine? It is clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone, Raj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now tell me the next solution.
Sir, next it could be also that instead of using the bully, we can put a rope. Instead of bully, we can put a rope, sir.
Then how you will tie it?
So with the same, since our rope would be much longer, so
No,
we
with
can
the same
place
rope,
a rope.
you can put the same rope, and with the same rope you can make the base and tie it. It's not possible.
Yes.
This task you can do with a single rope.
Okay.
Yes. What is the solution? Tell me next. What is the way how you can go the last person? I can give you a hint, fine, right? Suppose I would say,
Sir, the previous one, as we made like the two legs, we tie the rope and then we put the plank.
is that is called a master stroke. Till the time you are having other ideas, you will provide it. So that's why I told you the master stroke when you are having no option, then only you will do all those kinds of things making the process go, right? What more solution you can do? What else? Tell me. How can you call the last one? The last one. Or like I place an eraser. This eraser, suppose this is the last one. Okay, for the hint I'm giving you, this portion got blue.
The whole upper portion is blue.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, legs?
Not the legs.
Okay.
Just think where you can create the base. Base is most important because one thing is given in this, one thing you have to create. First base, and where could be the base? Base, I told you, always in the structure, a head part would be the base and the rear end would be the stopper. So ahead part is there. So ahead part you can create the base, and after the base there is a balancing distance which is 2 feet, means 1/3 of helping materials in this case plank 2 feet beyond at the rear end. So there could be the stopper. So you got base and you got the stopper. Now how to generate it? Or think for it.
Sir, we can
Yes, sir.
tie ropes between the front legs
Okay,
across both the legs.
both the legs. Yeah, got it. I'm just trying it. Yes. Where? At the center, at the above, at the below. Where, Raj?
The middle, sir. Center.
Okay. At the center. Okay, I got it. Okay, I've tried it.
We
Sir,
can
if
place
we
the
tie it
plank
at
over
top,
the
then it will
One
be
by one. Let's
better.
transform it. Then
let's place the plank over the rope, and to make a stopper, we can make use of small bully.
Okay, fine. And with the stopper, will make the stopper. Fine. Okay. You can do like this. For that, you need stopper with below base, with below, right? Like this. Like this.
Suitable distance.
Yeah. Like this. Is it fine? It is actually this start line is a 8 feet. Here we are not showing 8 feet, so you can consider, because in the real ground it is 8 feet there, like this. Like this.
Sir, instead of Valli, we can also use the rope. We can also tie that rope.
The rope
Is
is
that
already based. So how we will tie it?
Sir, we
Okay,
can
but-
tie the rope at the upper side of the front legs, right? So that the small bully would not be in use. So I think that would be more stable rather than using the small bully. There.
No, from where you will tie? From this end, from upper end. But
Sir,
that has already been done.
Sir, as I mentioned earlier, that we will tie the rope on like the 4 legs, round.
Satyavrata, I already told you that is a give up idea, because in that nothing is required, right? On any structure you can apply it. Again, you are mentioning the same thing. So due to this, because this structure is demanding what? Because here front end you have acted as the base, and the rear end you have acted as the stopper, and stopper you create with the bully, right? And there you are means rotating the rope, single rope, no, not used. Fine. So here this portion, because my table is given, then even without a table you can use that one. So due to the thing that you are a coach, that is a poach response completely. Because here structure is given table. So you are using table. Table top, this table
Got
top
it, sir.
is acting as the stopper. This table top is acting as the stopper, and this table legs, front legs is acting as the base, and this table top, below top, right? Below part, I would say, is acting as a stopper. Fine. 2 feet between the base, this tying the
Got
rope
it,
leg
sir.
to leg is the base, and this is stopper 4 feet, 40%. Okay. Okay. Now, as Satyavrat mentioned, now we can do that thing, right? With the rope, we can do this thing, right? Now, how to make it that cross? As he said, Satyavrat said, first of all, what you need to do? You need to just tie one end. Suppose any end you can take it, any end. Suppose you take this end, right? Suppose this end you are taking. And base, I told you, base should be always be above, like this. Base is above, like this. Base is above, like this. You can also rotate it. Just no need to tie from here. You can just even rotate it. That is also fine, like this. Base is always above, like this. Rotate, base is above, and now just tied it. Like this, it should be tied on the base. From here now you can take to this leg, like this. This is going to the stopper. So where it could be, it is at the lower part, right? Not at the above. Because base is above, stopper is always there downside. Like this, you can take it like this. Like this, you can take it, and now because their subordinate would be there, so you can tie it to the input. rest of the portion you can place above it. If it's a blue, then you can place it on the white platform, or one person can hold it down like this. One person can hold it down like this one, or else you can coil it on the leg as well. Fine. And base is above, stopper should be below. Stopper should be below, and now you can make the base of button above, right? Like this. Right. This is actually stopper. Fine. See, either this back portion also you can make it a stopper, and also this cross, because here some cross is generated. You can see this cross is acting as a stopper. Now, even the distance is 9 feet, because if you take it back, so these are 2 feet. These are 2 feet, right? 2 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet now. But when the G2 side increase the degree, okay, now the distance is 9 feet. Now the distance is 9, then how you will call? So then you will use that cross even, and with the cross you can use 1 feet, because earlier this acting as the stopper, and now this cross is at the center. So 1 feet it has moved toward this side, and now you can go. Means one person can come inside like this. Same solution we will use from that, how this person will go from here to last line, finish line. And suppose now you will say, okay, sir, last person is there, then how he will call? Then with the use of manpower, then with the cantilever. I can show you now. With that, this structure is done. Fine. I'm showing you that. We will show you how we have. You might be doubt. So tomorrow, in the tomorrow session, that we will discuss, we'll separate video for it. We will show you that how this cross has been made, right? One to one. We will take the 4 poles, and on the 4 poles we will explain. We will let you know. Now, no table go beyond it. Fine. No table go beyond it. Till the time I'm untying it, just tell me now how the last person will go. Last person, now the case is last person is here. Last person is here, or any platform. And by this same method, you can say, like, by this method, you can tie it here. Like this, you can tie it here, and the person can easily go. By all those sorts of methods we have done. Easily. The simplest one is this one. You can tie it easily. And from here, first person can easily go. Like this. First person can easily go. If first person can go, all person can go toward the finish line. Now, where would be the condition? Always the first person and the last person get stuck. Right? Here. Every person will go there. Now, how will call the last one? Tell me. Tell me, last person is here on this platform or in this platform. How you will call? You are here now. This rubber is here, I would say now. Tell me.
Sir, we can make it at the boundary line, right?
Yes, this is the boundary line.
Yeah, we can make a cantilever bridging with the person standing outside the finishing line by extending the plank over the boundary line.
Yes, you can make, right? So we can use the smaller plank, because this is a long one. It will cover from here. So we can use another simple plank, like this ruler, like this, right? Same, we are considering the same like height, like 7 length, 6 feet, right? So person, as you mentioned, 2 person can easily like this. We can take it like this. 2 person here can easily, because now the manpower is available. First person gone there by this solution, so n number of person can go there. Fine. Now this thing, right? Because up now you will say, sir, why the last man would not come by the same idea when we have done this? Why we didn't send us last person by the same idea? Tell me.
We left with the material, sir.
We will left with the material. That is the case. Material also, you have to retrieve material as per the group rule and the load rule, and that your whole group should come finish line together, and all your helping material should be retrieved. Right? That's the way. And now, and also one more thing, like even if you without the material, then manpower would not available. Even if you use that cantilever from these platforms, that's also the case. Fine. So now 2 person can stand here. like this here, and because it's a white one, so white your help model can take it, and last person simply because it's a 2 feet and 4 feet here, I will that would be much better. I would say. This is 2 feet and the 4 feet here from here to it's a 4 feet and person from here 4 feet can easily go. Is it fine? Is it fine? Are you getting it? Is this structure clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So as this structure will get clear, so I want to know your feedback, like about the session and all. One by one, you can give feedback. Yes. Yes, starting with Raj. So Raj, how you feel about the session?
Yes, sir. It was really great to explain along with the prototypes. Like instead of seeing the picture, it's really great to help us with the prototype what you made.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the stable.
You can turn on your videos that
Okay.
are viewer which you can see you.
Oh, sir, I'm in a dark mode.
Okay,
So
okay,
it
fine,
will
fine.
be-
No worries, no worries. Those who can, they can. Yes. Okay, okay, fine. Satyavrat? Satya, you can give your feedback like how about the session and all.
It's a nice interaction, sir, because
Okay.
you explained it with all the prototypes,
Yes, yes, yes.
and we will make use of your experience with the SSB.
Yeah,
And
that's true.
whenever I ask a doubt, you just telling all the time. So it's a nice interaction, sir.
Yeah, definitely. And we were following the same in our old session. Fine. Okay. What about you, Shruti? Shruti, what you felt about the session? Okay, there will be some network issue. Fine. Vamshi, sir? Okay, I think there might be some technical issue. What about you, Payal? Payal Dipankar. Those who are active, those who are listening, they can go ahead. They can give their feedback. Fine.
Yes, sir, good concession, and we are able to perceive
Yes. You what you perceive?
like what are the technicalities what we have to use in that. But I think it will take some more time to become familiar with this because it's my first G- G2
Okay,
task.
okay. Definitely, right. It's actually difficult structure we have taken. It's first of all, we have to go from the basics, right? So it's just demo, right? Right. Okay. And what about you, Payal?
And sir,
Yes, yes,
here,
Dipankar. Sir.
here I would say definitely that some things which are not without seeing the pictures and all, which are not totally possible that you have done here. It's a great job, sir, and we can also imparted here our practical knowledge, implication of our knowledge, application of our knowledge, everything, and the way you taught us, like sir, and your clarity of voice and your techniques and living and non-living resources, like your everything, just making a loop and all. So that's really great to teach, and definitely I'd like to I'd like to I think for the more sessions like this. So that's the
Yes,
thing,
yes,
sir.
definitely, Dipankar. Definitely, we will be having lots of session, and in the session we will start from basic to advanced, right? It was just a one prototype, one a model to discuss. Actually, we discuss this thing in eighth day, right? Definitely. So tomorrow we will discuss from the day one. Fine. Those who are
Sir, I
active,
would
they
like,
can. Yes, yes, yes,
yes,
yes,
sir,
yes.
I would like to say a few words that, sir, the way you really describe, and that too with your structure that you have made by your own, it is really appreciated, sir. the way the techniques you told us, that will be definitely very helpful, sir. And because it is very tough to teach, and that through online, we didn't feel like we are teaching online. It is
Yes.
just practically you told us, and that was really very true, sir. Thank you for
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
guidance.
Yeah, for the other also other things like other structure from the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, we will having structure, lots of structure. And it is the beauty of online course. You can take a number of the structures. And it's not possible in the ground to have more number of the structure, right? Only limited structure we have on the ground. But here you can take a number of the structure, 70, 80, 90. But in the ground hardly 10, 12, 15, 20, maximum 30, right? Even combining the coachings and all, fine. But here it's the beauty of online course. Yes, those who are active, they can go ahead. They can go ahead with their reviews.
Sir, the most important thing is
Yes, sir.
you are making the small models, and by that you are explaining all the things to all of us. It is very appreciable, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Badminton. Yes, other Abhishek and all.